Alright, so I want to give you a quick tutorial of our text messaging package. I'm going to cover things like sending a text, scheduling a text, going over subscription templates, and contacts. So let's jump into things. The dashboard is pretty self-explanatory. This is the most important thing, is your number that you would get that people can text to, or that the text will be coming from. But we're going to jump right into it and go into contacts. I've already created a contact, created myself, added a phone number, and you can add a new person right here. We're just going to show you that this person is added, Eric Taylor. Going to click back here. So contacts, pretty simple, adding a contact. Not much to that, so I'm not going to cover that a lot. But let's get into subscriptions. Subscriptions I like to call them groups of people, or groups that you want to send text messages to. So maybe you have a leadership team, maybe you're using this for something else and you have a group of people that you want to send it to. For this purpose of this, we're going to create a subscription called My Church. And basically what this is going to allow you to do is anybody can text this word to your number and automatically get subscribed to your group. So this auto reply message is what they will get when they text this word to your number. Thanks for joining. And then you can, the opt-out message, if they decide to opt out, we are sorry to see you go. Click submit. And so basically what I did is, now you'll see that I have two text words, leadership and My Church. So if somebody texts leadership to our number, they'll get subscribed to this one. If they select My Church, they will, and text that to your number, they will get automatically added to My Church. I am going to manually add people. You can do manually additions, or you can let them opt in themselves, and you're going to click save, and now I've added Eric to My Church. And so I just managed my subscription. I created a subscription and I added people to my subscription. So think of it kind of like a group of people, somebody that you want to, a group of people that you want to send a text message to. So I'm going to go click back here, and now I'm going to bring you back to the dashboard. Now you can see that you have 2 active subscribers. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look at text templates. So we looked at contacts, we looked at adding subscriptions, adding your contacts to the subscriptions. Now we're going to look at templates. Templates are messages that you want to, or templates that you want to send out. Maybe you have a standard message lingo that you want to use all the time, and you want to use that template. You can set it up, or when you go into send or schedule a text message, you can just type in a message. But I wanted to show you this template first. Just want to click on edit here and just show you that I set up a template called Saturday Game Night, and it says a reminder that it's game night this Saturday at 7 p.m. And so I just wanted to show you that that's setting up a template, and when we go into send or schedule a message, I can show you that template in action. So here is the send or schedule message. Pretty simple. You can pick an occasion. You can send it now. You can schedule a message, or you can do a reoccurring message. So you have some options to pick an occasion. So once you have that, and once you pick it, so we're on the send now, you can either do a new message and type out a message, or you can use your template right here. Then you would be sending it to a subscription list. So here's the leadership subscription or the My Church subscription. So we're going to send it to the leadership team and click send text, and then guess what? You have just sent have just sent that template. Or if you click on new message, you can type in a new message. Hello, Eric Taylor, comma, thanks for coming. And there's a text message, and then you send it, and then you just sent a text message. You can go to schedule now. You could also schedule a message. So I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow at 9 p.m. That seems to be late in the day. 6 p.m. And I'm going to do a Saturday game night and to our My Church team, and just say, you know what? I want to send that template to My Church at 6 p.m. And you schedule it, and now you've just scheduled that message. And you can see here, I've already scheduled a reoccurring, text message, and I'll show you that as well. But here's my scheduled text message. I scheduled this for tomorrow at 6 p.m. And then once you send that, all your recent texts down here will show you the recent texts or campaigns that you've sent. So let's look at this reoccurring text. I'm going to click on edit this, and it's just going to bring up these options pre-populated for us since I already filled this one out. But I clicked reoccurring. I wanted to send it every month on a specific day of the month, and that would be Saturdays, or a specific weekday of the month, which would be Saturdays at 6 p.m. I never want it to end, and I want to send that Saturday night game night to the leadership department. And so that's what I did. And so basically with this being said is every Saturday at 6 p.m. this game night template will get sent out. So you can, again, send now, send a message now, schedule one, or set up a reoccurring one. And so let's just schedule it. Go back here, and then this will show you all your reoccurring message that you have set up, all your scheduled messages set up. And then if you go back here to the dashboard, you can see now that you have two scheduled texts going on, a reoccurring one, a scheduled one. You have no opted out subscribers. If somebody was to say stop to your number, you would see them there. And then here's your active subscribers of the 2 subscribers that you have in your subscription list. So it's pretty simple to send a text message. You create a contact, you add them to a subscription. You can create a template or just type in a new one, and then you just send or schedule your text messaging. If you need more text message, you can always buy them. They come in 500 text messages chunks, so you can buy 500 as you need them. And if you don't need them, then right here is the usage, and it renews every month. So that is text messaging in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we'd be happy to answer those questions for you. Thank you for watching.